Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic microbial growth. In the previous video I discussed about what is the growth. Growth means increase in the size and in the number. And what happens after this growth? How microorganisms grow in a same pattern. So in this video we are going to discuss that topic. This pattern is known as the microbial growth curve. What is microbial growth curve? Growth curve is a single graph which indicates that how microorganisms are growing from a single cell to multiple cells. That is known as the growth curve. Okay, so in the growth curve there are 4 different phases. First phase is lag phase. Second one is log phase. Third one is stationary phase. And fourth one is death phase. So this growth curve is common to all type of microorganisms. We will discuss one by one each of them. The first one is lag phase. Okay, what is lag phase? Suppose we have prepared a nutrient agar media and we have inoculated bacterial culture in that media. So how the bacteria will start growing? In the culture media there are lots of nutrients available to the microorganism. So microorganisms start utilizing that nutrients and start dividing. The pattern of division is by budding, binary fission. So that can be different in different types of microorganisms. So the microorganism, suppose that there was only one single cell, so this cell will divide into 2 equal cells and those cells will further divide into those further cells. So this is the pattern of the growth. But what actually happens to the lag phase? In the lag phase, microorganisms are not dividing. They are preparing themselves so that they can divide. For preparation, what they need? They need DNA, RNA, useful enzymes. Okay, so in the lag phase, microorganisms will not divide, but actually they will prepare themselves for cell division. For that, they will synthesize DNA, they will synthesize RNA, they will synthesize some enzymes which are required for the DNA replication, transcription. Okay, so this is the main thing which the bacteria will start, and they will utilize nutrient from the nutrient media. And after utilizing the nutrient from the nutrient media, they will synthesize their own DNA, RNA, enzymes, vitamins, so that these enzymes and vitamins can be utilized in further processes. So in the first lag phase, it is clear that it is a preparatory step in which microorganisms will not divide, but they actually start dividing and they will prepare for the division. The next phase is the log phase. What is log phase? Log phase is the phase in which microorganisms will utilize the nutrient media and divide exponentially. So that we also call this log phase as an exponential phase of growth. In this log phase, microorganisms will divide continuously, irregularly, and this cell division will enhance more cells. For example, here that is only one single cell, and this cell will divide, and those cells will further divide, and those cells will further divide. So exponentially the cells are increasing in their size and increasing in their numbers. So in this log phase, the number of cells will more. The maximum growth of a bacteria is observed in the log phase, that is exponential phase. So what actually happens in the log phase by which they can divide? Actually the media is stressed. The media is stressed, and the media contains all the nutrients, and there are number of cells are less. So microorganisms will start utilizing those nutrients from the microbial media, and they will divide exponentially. Okay, after completion of the exponential phase, the number of nutrients will also decline. So the next phase is stationary phase. What is the stationary phase? We know that there is a particular age of microorganism. That might be 20 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 20 days. So it depends on the different type of microorganism, what is their age, and what is the factor which affect the age of the microorganism, the growth of the microorganism. The factor that affect the growth of the microorganism is the nutrient media. If the nutrient media is available, then microorganisms will divide exponentially. But when the media is limited, so the microorganisms which are present in the starting phase will divide exponentially. But when the number of cells has increased, they need more and more media for cell division. But if they do not find the nutrient media, they will start dying. Okay, so in the log phase, the number of cells in the stationary phase, the number of cells dividing will be equal to number of dead cells. Okay, suppose that there are 1 million cells per ml of dividing cell. The number of dead cell will be also 1 million cells approximately. So the number of dividing cell and the number of dead cells are very equal. This is the graph of the growth phase. This is the lag phase. This is the log phase. It is stationary phase, and it is the dead phase. So at the end, we find a last step, that is the death phase. In the death phase, the number of nutrients, number of cells will start decaying. They will. What is the reason behind that? Because the media is now limited, very limited. The cells are very large in number. So then these lot of number of cells will need more media, but the media is limited, so they do not find any kind of media in the nutrient media. So what happens? The cells will start dying because of their age. They will not be able to multiply. They will not be able to divide their cells. So the cells will not able to divide, and they will start dying, and the number of cells will be lower as compared to the stationary phase. And at the end, we will find only some few cells, which indicates that the cells have been cells number has been lowered. So this is the growth phase which was covered in the fundamentals of microbiology subject. So my lecture is over here. Thank you very much.